Yeah, probably from where we're sitting, it's far. So yeah, we can call it the far end or the commentary box end also.
Or the tent end. Tent end and the highway end. There we go.
Made it simple. Yeah, we have to talk about them. They've done a fabulous job. Inside edge, inside the door. There's an opportunity to direct it. Would have surely been curtains. Early nerves.
For some reason, Ali, I'm also thinking that perhaps the previous result is playing on their mind. They want to create that impression. So those early nerves and the shangles are also about the pressure. Sahil was halfway down the track. Oh, he'd given up. He'd completely given up. He was ready to just run back to the dugout. No effort there. Close call. Much more assured in that shot. Yet a shaky start by Nepal under 19. 1 for no loss.
Run, boys.
Yeah, 3 changes for Bangladesh under 19. Perhaps the biggest call that was taken was that their most impressive bowler, Iqbal Imon, has been given a little bit of breather as Shobuj comes in his stead. Also a change for the wicket keepers for both sides. Ashish Lohar one end and Farid Hassan the other.
Yes, center. Right over.
There we go, Shobuj gets the new ball from the other end.
A great opportunity for him. As you said, he's replaced one of the best from Bangladesh side at this level. So it's a huge opportunity for him to make a mark and impress all over. And he's got the conditions in his favor too. We've been talking about how good these surfaces has been. So lots of credit to the groundman and the curator of the surface. Because Atish, I believe at this level, the surface or the pitch should be like this, where it should test your technique in the era of T20s when you go out after bowling. That's a good run. So in this era, where everyone is looking to impress with their big hitting and big sixes, on this surface, your technique is tested. So as a batter, you need to stay there. We've seen that example, 300s, we saw 3 big hundreds, 165, 177. So you need to have good technique to score those big runs. And on the other hand, for fast bowlers, you need to be very patient and consistent. We saw Srenavatne from Sri Lanka, he took a fifer. So you should have surfaces like this where you can bend your back, show your technique, your skill, and you can score big and get wickets. So very well done to the curators of both grounds.
Completely even from pitch number 4. The dimension 65 all across. So basically the center wicket is being used today. First extras.
It's very easy for the fast bowlers to get carried away when they see such a green surface, hard surface, but that's where the discipline comes.
Oh, that is very wayward. Very wayward. Not only a wide, but 5 of them eventually.
That was nowhere close of showing discipline. That was way outside the leg stump. That's what I said. It's very easy to get away for a fast bowler, for a young fast bowler, when he sees so much green on the surface, that he tends to do a little bit more, tries a little too much. That's what he's tried to do, a little more effort into the ball. But all he needs to do is be consistent with the discipline, with the line, with the length, and surface will handle the rest.
Once more. He is a new entrant into the youth setup. He's just played a solitary match recently against Afghanistan under-19. Got 1 wicket for 30 runs. But as of right now, needs to get the right line.
I'm sure there will be nerves. He will be under a little bit of pressure. And then looking at the surface, he will say, wow, that's tailor-made for me. But that's not the case. You still have to be spot on with the line, as you said, with the length also. And be consistent on that. Don't worry about the reward. You will be rewarded if you're consistent.
That's much better. That is so much better. The umpire's unmoved though.
That's what I was referring to. Be very simple. Just look after the length and the right line. This is what exactly did. Not much pace behind him, but accuracy matters. Look at the movement after hitting the seam. Just jack back in. It's always going to be difficult for the batters if you get it right.
What I did like though was how Tamim encouraged him. Great fielding by Zawad Abrar. Didn't get hold of it, but saved.